Hi, I'm Richard Uslan, and if you found me, you or someone you know has been arrested in Franklin Township, Somerset County in New Jersey. You may have some questions immediately regarding the charge of possession of under 50 grams of marijuana, so let me try to answer them now before we speak in more detail about whether you have a complete defense to this case. The first question is, do I have a criminal record? Well, yes, you do. You've been arrested, you've been photographed, you've been fingerprinted. That's something we may be able to help you with to remove immediately after your case or shortly thereafter in a separate expungement proceeding. The next question is, will I go to jail? For a first offense of under 50 grams of marijuana, no, you won't go to jail. But you certainly don't want to be convicted, and you certainly don't want to have a conditional discharge if you can avoid it, because that would be the only time you'd be able to use it. A conditional discharge is an example of a diversionary program, and that's something else that we could speak about. The other question you may have is, will I lose my license? Well, the judge is required to take your license for 6 months to 2 years if you're convicted of this. With a diversionary program, that won't happen, and maybe even with a conviction, it won't happen. But we should discuss what's called a hardship application when we meet. Let's examine, however, whether you were arrested improperly, whether the police stopped you unlawfully, whether they recovered the marijuana unlawfully, whether the chemists didn't do their job properly in testing the alleged marijuana, and whether there's a proper chain of custody to bring that marijuana to the counsel table as proof against you. I've been doing this for over 30 years, so I can defend you on this. Call me. Let's discuss this in more detail. I can help you.